To all of you, good evening. Atma Namaste. Wish you happy Dasra to all of you. Those who are watching live and also recorded session, Atma Namaste. Last 9 days, it's been a very wonderful, fantastic journey. And as I said yesterday, today we are going to do intense blessings. Okay, so just let us start with invocation. Put your hands in the Namaste Mudra. To the Supreme God, to my spiritual teacher, to all the spiritual teachers, healing guides, healing ministers, archangels, holy angels, to Divine Mother, to my Kuladevata, and to all the great, great ones, we humbly invoke your divine blessings, divine guidance, divine help, and divine protection throughout this blessing session. With thanks and in full faith, we thank you. Inhale and exhale slowly. Be receptive, close your eyes. We will chant Omkar 3 times. Inhale. Inhale and exhale slowly. Be aware of all the good qualities within you. Be aware of your strengths. Can you show love to others? Can you love yourself? Yes. How do you express your loving kindness to others? How do you love yourself? By taking good care of your body, by giving proper rest. How do you show love to others? By giving gifts, by sharing happiness, doing something for them, helping others. Inhale and exhale slowly. This is the day of success. Remind all your achievements, all your success stories. Right from your childhood, whenever you are successful, remember all your success days. Maybe in a competition, maybe in an exam. Success in life in terms of settled life, having good relationships with others, success in the social life, you're helping others, you're serving others, you're doing good things for others. Success in your spiritual life by being constant with your meditations and your purification practices, by being religious. These are all my success stories. Smile. Be aware of the divinity within you, the Rama within you, Prabhu Sri Ram within us. As we know, रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. Be aware where you are following, keeping your promises, your commitments. These are all my success and strengths. Gently raise your hands in the blessing position. Visualize yourself in front of you and bless yourself with divine light, divine love, and divine power. Project tremendous white light to your whole body. May all the negative thoughts, negative emotions within my mind be completely disintegrated and removed permanently. May all the weaknesses, especially laziness, procrastination, be disintegrated. May all forms of pain, may all forms of stress be completely disintegrated and removed from my mind. If I am carrying grudges, hate towards others, may all grudges be disintegrated. May all hate and anger be disintegrated and removed from my mind completely. I let go all of them. Project bright white light to yourself. May all the weaknesses, vices within my mind, within my physical body, and all energy bodies be disintegrated and removed permanently. So be it. Tathastu. If at all we have something which is not good within us, which is kept very secret, undisclosed, very personal or private, which is not good, let us project lot of divine light to that thing. May this thought be blessed with lot of divine light, clarity, knowledge, understanding, and harmony. As you project light to that part of your life, as you project light to that aspect, you may feel many things are getting released. You as a soul, you and your mind is getting completely released, free from these entanglements. Now, chant Om. May all the Trigunas, Rajogun, Sattva Gun, Tamo Gun within myself be balanced. May my mind become very calm, relaxed, productive. So be it. Smile. Let us share these blessings with all family members, with all people around us. May this divinity be radiated in all directions. May this divinity be radiated throughout my house, in all four aspects of my life: dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Be filled with divine light, love, and power, with success on all levels, with prosperity, with Lakshmi everywhere around me. I invoke for supreme blessings to Divine Father, Divine Mother. Thank you for blessing me, my family, with lot of success on all levels. So be it. Gently put your hands down. Just be receptive for next few moments. Connect tongue to the palate. Inhale and exhale slowly. Be aware of your whole being. Silently affirm, I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. I am successful. I am successful. I am successful. I am aware about my true nature. I am aware of my true nature. I am aware of my true nature. Take a deep breath and gently open your eyes with smile. All of you, namaste. मास्टर चौहा हमेशा कहते थे pride is the last thing to go on the spiritual path. Now आगे के कुछ मिनट्स हमें प्रयत्न करना है, कोशिश करनी है कि हम लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा हमारे इमोशंस को इकट्ठा करके we are going to sacrifice our pride at the feet of Supreme God, at the feet of our spiritual teacher. Do not worry if you are not aware about who is your spiritual teacher. अगर आपको मालूम नहीं कि कौन है मेरे आध्यात्मिक गुरु, कौन है मेरे सदगुरु, do not worry. Your spiritual teacher is continuously watching you, is continuously around you, with you, continuously guiding you. So just be aware of your spiritual teacher and offer your pride at his feet. Okay. So रामायण भी अगर हम लोग देखेंगे तो रावण को बहुत ज्यादा गर्व हो गया था, बहुत ज्यादा प्राइड, अहंकार हुआ था, और जैसे ही उसने खुद को रियलाइज किया, द रावण ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू राम. मतलब नॉट फिजिकली, बट हमारे अंदर का भी रावण हम लोग मार सकते हैं इफ वी सैक्रिफाइस this anger, if we sacrifice this pride to the Supreme God, what left is the I am, the self-realization that I am soul. Okay, we are going to release, we are going to sacrifice our pride. Okay, अगर हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं तो truly we are celebrating Dasra, and yes, definitely we are going to give energetic gold prana, gold light to everybody. We are not meeting each other physically, so energetically we will share our strengths with every one of us who is there in the session, so that we will receive gold. Gold means qualities. We can represent them, our pure qualities. Okay, just be receptive, close your eyes, and be aware of different levels of pride. कहाँ कहाँ पे हमें गर्व होता है, किस चीज का गर्व है. Do we have pride of our financial status? Do we have pride for uh, our healthy relationships, our looks, my looks, how I look, how are my emotions, how I talk? Do we have pride for anything other than else, anything else? हम सबको मालूम है हमें किस चीज का प्राइड होता है, प्राइड है. Just be aware of that. Visualize feet in front of us, our Guru's feet, Supreme God's feet. आणि ह्या प्रभू श्रीरामांचं आपण दर्शन घेऊयात, देवाचं दर्शन घेऊयात, आणि मनाने आपल्यामध्ये असणारा प्रत्येक प्रकारचा, हमारे अंदर होने वाला हर एक प्रकार का गर्व, प्राइड हम लोग अर्पण कर रहे हैं. ऐसी कल्पना कीजिए, लाइक वी ऑफर फ्लावर्स एट द फीट ऑफ any god. Similarly, we imagine that we are offering pride on all levels at the feet of the teacher. We are realizing that हमारे हाथों से जो भी अच्छी चीजें होती है, हमारे अंदर जितने भी पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज है, these are the blessings of God. These are the blessings of our teacher. Definitely these are our qualities. अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा लविंग काइंड है, हेल्पफुल है, तो आपको उस चीज का अभिमान होना चाहिए कि yes, I am helping others. Yes, I am loving and kind. बट ये क्वालिटीज डेवलप करने के लिए जो एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? Yes, I have a healthy physical body. I have good looking body. बट ये शरीर को जिंदा रखने के लिए जो भी मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, हेल्दी रखने के लिए जो भी खाना खा रहा हूँ, वो कौन दे रहा है? Be aware of the power aspect, the शक्ति aspect. हमारी माँ ये सारी चीजों को हमें प्रोवाइड कर रही है, and that is God. I sacrifice all my pride. I sacrifice all my pride. I sacrifice all my pride. So be it. Tathastu, Tathastu, Tathastu. Be receptive for a few moments. Take a deep breath. Gently open your eyes. To all of you, namaste. How are you feeling? How many of you felt energy vibrations at different parts of the body, especially in the face, in the chest area? Wow. Many of you have experienced energies. Great. You can share your experiences in the chat as well as post the session. You can also write down your comments. So thank you so much. It was a wonderful journey throughout the 9 days. And I hope you liked the entire series of Navratri blessing session and must be waiting for what next. Yes. So hold on your excitements. We on this day, on the special day of Dasera, day of success, day of achievement. Last year, in the month of November, last Sunday of November, we celebrated our success of gathering more than 1,000 people under one roof for meditation on Twin Hearts. We started a spiritual festival of Thane named as Spurti. So next month is November, and wait for the dates, wait for the entire program. But I would like to announce officially that next month, the month of November, we are going to celebrate Spiritual Festival of Thane 2020 Spurti. I know this is lockdown and we are not allowed to gather in large numbers. So I know how we are going to meet in multiple numbers, more than 1,000 this time. And we are going to meet online in the YouTube. Okay. So please follow the page. Please follow the uh, YouTube channel to get more details about Spurti and the schedule of Spurti. Thank you so much for continuous support and your continuous participation in all these sessions. We are going to end today's session with short prayer. Wish you happy Dasara once again. Share my energies with all your family members. Convey my regards to all of them. Thank you so much once again. Let us end the session. To the Supreme God, to my spiritual teacher, all the spiritual teachers, to all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and spiritual helpers. We thank you for your priceless blessings. To Divine Mother, thank you for your guidance, help, and protection. With thanks and in full faith. To all of you, from my heart to your heart, Atma Namaste. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.